For years, one company defined the modern electric vehicle market, Tesla. But recently, another manufacturer has taken the lead in global EV sales, BYD. The shift signals a major change in the global automotive industry and raises an important question. How did a Chinese automaker surpass the brand that popularized modern electric cars? BYD, short for Build Your Dreams, was founded in 1995 and originally focused on rechargeable battery manufacturing. The company entered the automotive sector in the early 2000s and gradually expanded into electric mobility. Unlike many automakers that transitioned from gasoline vehicles, BYD built its strategy around battery technology and vertical integration. In terms of vehicle design, BYD's recent models emphasize aerodynamic efficiency and modern styling. Vehicles such as the BYD Seal and BYD Dolphin use low-drag body shapes, smooth underbody panels, and sculpted front profiles designed to improve efficiency at highway speeds. The design language often combines narrow LED lighting, streamlined body lines, and closed-off grilles typical of battery electric vehicles.
BYD's rise marks a clear shift in the EV market. While Tesla built the foundation, BYD scaled it faster. The result is a new market leader defined not just by innovation, but by production, pricing, and control over technology.